Getting hook up to the trailer. I had to unhook yesterday because I ran to the leather shop. Sorry for no video yesterday. Today will just be a combined video with yesterday. So, get 2 days of action in one. Finally got horses caught. Took about 45 minutes. So, gotta get settled and head down the trail. Up here, got a different sorrel today. And, well, it's like it's my boss's horse he's riding today. That we gotta go do something later on. So I'm just getting on her here. Just to go check calves. So, all of them will be alright like that. Yeah, a little bit more snow last night, but nothing crazy. It's another really nice morning. Wind's blowing just a little bit more than it was yesterday, but it's all good. I'm gonna just put the clips from yesterday that I have at the end of this video. So, got a couple new babies. There's one over there, there's one right here. I'm just gonna go over here and tag this one real quick. Videoing again, but just healed him. Come on, baby. The walk of shame. Freaking, when I got off to take that calf, I didn't bring my reins with me. Just assumed that she'd stand there like a good girl. But apparently she's not a good girl. So she ran away, which is always fun. So, but on the good note, my feet aren't going to be cold anymore because I'm going to have to walk until I find her. So, that's good, at least. Update, I found her. She ran way down there back to the corner. Now we're trotting some circles. We're gonna go look for more babies. This kind of has to do with, I guess, when my horse ran off, but you can't be mad at him for doing that. Like, you can be mad at him, but you can't take it out on them because they don't know any better. Chill. But like, if that would have happened to me a couple of years ago, I would have been fucking furious. I mean, I was furious, but I would have been mad, and I would have gotten mad at her and yelled and maybe whacked her, but that doesn't solve anything. Anyways, I just wanted to say that. I'll try to put that in where it goes in the video, but I probably will forget, so it's going to be at the end. Well, I just tagged hello, baby. Whoa. Just tagged another calf. I didn't video it, I forgot to, but my boss got a third-person POV of me roping and tagging it, so I'll put that in the video at the correct spot. We're just gonna go through everything one more time. and then head back to the house. My feet are completely frozen. Bad choice to wear my heeled boots instead of my lettuce pickers, but you know, you live and you learn. Gotta do what you gotta do for the gram. Kind of been forgetting the video here, but tagged one calf up on that hill. Tried to heal him, but I couldn't catch. So I just got off and grabbed him. And boss man is feeding right now. I lost my tag gun, so I'm gonna have to use his until I find it. Fell out of my pocket. Just having a rough day, kind of, sort of. That calf has a tag. But, yeah, I'll make sure to video this next one that I tag. We're gonna go, pair out. We had some lunch, so. Well, we, made it up, to where this other group of cows is. They're in just a little 40-acre trap, and we're gonna pair some out. We got about 20 or so pairs. So we're on Old Palomino right now, talking to the YouTube. Same thing with this other pair. Get them going down the fence, and they will find the hole. You can just walk. That's a thing. There you go. Come on, Mama. Oh, yeah. Got this cow kind of moving towards the gate here. Slow down, buddy. Just gonna haze her in that direction. Not get on her too much, because then That'll fuck things up, I guess. Just like that. It's a straight shot, baby. Just gonna put yesterday's clips in here now. I'll try to put them in order, but I don't remember really. But morning, guys. It's about 6:30 today. 6:45, I guess. Gonna go catch a horse real quick, saddle up, and get down the road. The weather got a little bit nicer. Not nicer, but it stopped snowing, I guess. Everything's frozen over, but yeah, I'll get back with you guys once I get this horse caught. Found a calf. Just gonna go ahead and take him. God, my handwriting sucks. Well, I finally got opened and closed the gate on him. Took about 15 minutes, but we got it done. Same deal, we're just gonna go over here and kind of look around. It's a really nice day out. It's kind of cold out, but there's really no wind, and I don't know, it's a pretty day. Good day to be alive. Today's video might be a little bit different. There might be some more horse related content, I guess. But yeah, I'm just gonna head over to this gate here. And he's wanting to go, so we're just gonna keep him slowed down. Sorry, buddy. My leggings are. Check him up a little bit. You don't have to freaking, oh man, you could just trot. Do you know how to trot? Is that a thing in your brain? Jesus fuck. You need to keep the rope tight though, dude. Old Palomino has settled down quite a bit. He's just really gooey, which there's no problem. It's nice to have horses like that in certain situations, but look how stoic this view is, man. Don't get much better than this. Ah. Now we're in this other back corner. Kind of look down in there and see what's popping. I'm gonna try to keep my videos a lot shorter too. Kind of under 10 minutes. Yesterday's video was really freaking long. It took forever to download or whatever. So I'm gonna try to keep them in that 10-minute range. And I figured out how to turn my comments on, so from here on out, comments will be on. Please comment, it would mean the world to me. Oh, Palomino is wearing a really nice snaffle with some silver inlay on it. Cheap little one-ear headstall I got, but it's a really good using headstall. Like half my bridles have this on there. Then he has this floral tooled Bucker Business martingale on. And then on my saddle, my jackknappling, slick fork, Keach horn, kind of a Keach horn. I don't even know what this horn is, but just a small little horn. And then got my stitch flatigos on here. Got a quirt. Have I ever used this? No. Does it look cool? Yes. And then I got my candle bag, martingale. Oh, these reins. These are some really nice weighted reins. And then we got these, I want to say H-bar saddlery 4x6 Visalias. And yeah, he looks good. Got this one roped. Just threw a hip shot. I forgot to start videoing. Back up, man. Oh. Got in a cow fight. I got off the Tiger and she charged my horse, broke my fucking stirrup, and my rope is still on one leg. And I didn't even tag her. Come on, boys. Cowboys win!